Can you really make money trading Bitcoin live and unedited? Let's find out together in this raw, real-time trading session, where every decision counts and profits or losses happen in minutes. There's no hiding behind edited clips or highlight reels. What you'll see today is the unfiltered reality of a live trader navigating one of the most volatile markets on the planet, Bitcoin. Welcome to today's live trading session, where we're diving headfirst into the fast-paced and unpredictable world of Bitcoin trading. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's dabbled in crypto before, this session is designed to give you a realistic moment look at how trades actually unfold. Bitcoin trading involves buying and selling Bitcoin in real time to capitalize on its price fluctuations, which can be extreme, sudden, and frequent. Since the cryptocurrency market is open 24/7, traders need to stay alert and adaptable. Opportunity can strike at any moment, but so can risk. That's what makes this game so thrilling and so challenging. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through my personal approach to trading Bitcoin live. We'll get to see exactly how I analyze the market, react to trends, and manage risk, all in real time. This session isn't just about making profits. It's about understanding the psychology and discipline behind trading. You'll get insight into my strategies, my mindset, and the tools I use to guide my decisions. From chart analysis to emotional control, we'll cover it all. Live. I'm starting today with a relatively conservative strategy, focusing on short-term trades that align with the broader market trend. My toolkit includes technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and candlestick patterns to help identify entry and exit points. I'm also factoring in support and resistance levels to guide my trades. Risk management is key. I'm setting tight stop losses and aiming for realistic profit targets. My goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to make consistent, smart decisions that can grow over time. As we begin, I'm feeling cautiously optimistic. The market structure suggests a potential breakout is forming, and I'm planning to go long on Bitcoin, expecting the price to rise. The volatility today is palpable, which makes for exciting trading, but also demands sharp focus. Every second counts when price action is this fast. A moment of hesitation or emotional reaction can be the difference between profit and loss. I've just entered my first trade, and it's moving in my favor, for now, but I'm not celebrating early. In crypto, momentum can shift in an instant. That's why I'm constantly monitoring volume, momentum indicators, and the price reaction at key levels. My finger stays on the pulse of the market, ready to pivot my position if necessary. Remember, successful trading isn't just about being right. It's about managing what happens when you're wrong. As we move forward, I'll keep sharing updates on each trade, my reasoning behind them, and the emotions I'm dealing with in real time. The market's already thrown a few curveballs, sharp dips, sudden spikes, but my stop-loss orders have done their job, limiting potential losses. If you're learning to trade, this is the part most people overlook. Risk control is more important than entry signals. I've just reversed my position and gone short, anticipating a pullback after a brief price surge. This decision is based on multiple signals: overbought RSI, weakening volume, and a bearish engulfing pattern on the 5-minute chart. While I execute the trade, I am also troubleshooting a minor issue with my platform. Part of the reality of live trading? Unexpected tech glitches can be frustrating, but staying calm and composed is part of being a good trader. Out of nowhere, Bitcoin surges again. A massive green candle that rockets past resistance. I'm up significantly on this trade. It's moments like this that make your heart race, but it's also where discipline becomes vital. I must decide. Take the profits or let it ride. Greed and fear battle in every trader's mind. For me, it's about sticking to the plan, not emotions. I pause here to reassess. Markets don't reward impulsive decisions. The key to long-term success isn't catching every big move, it's staying consistent, managing emotions, and refining your strategy over time. Today's been full of surprises, unexpected swings, failed setups, and some strong wins. But through it all, I've kept to my process. Despite the intensity, I'm satisfied with how things have gone. I've stayed disciplined, made adjustments where needed, and remained fully present in the moment. I just closed another trade with solid gains, And that reinforces the power of having a plan and sticking to it even when things get crazy. As we approach the final stretch of this live trading session, I'm taking stock of the day's performance. It's been a roller coaster, technically and emotionally. But every session is a chance to learn, refine, and grow. That's what trading's all about. You never truly master the market. You learn to navigate it better over time. Thank you so much to everyone who tuned in live. Your support, comments, and questions fuel these sessions and keep me motivated. I hope today gave you a real, unfiltered glimpse into the world of live Bitcoin trading. The good, the bad, and everything in between. Whether you're here to learn or just enjoy the action, I appreciate your time. Before we wrap up, let's review the final results. Today's been a profitable and insightful session. If you found value in this format and want to see more real-time crypto trading, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've got more sessions, breakdowns, and trading psychology content coming soon. And now, I want to hear from you. What did you learn today? Have you traded Bitcoin before? What questions do you have about technical analysis, risk management, or live trading? Drop a comment below. Your feedback helps me grow and makes this community stronger. Let's keep learning and growing together in the world of crypto.